actually demoing our new laser. It's the XL-HR, and we're going to do underarms here, and I just want to kind of show you exactly how fast this procedure is. I'll put on my safety glasses. It's so quick now that we have the new laser and virtually painless. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. We're doing full underarm here. Feeling okay?
Yep.
This is a procedure you could do anytime. You could just pop in the office. We can get both underarms done in pretty much under 2 minutes. You could do this while you're having like another facial procedure or while you're numbing for your microneedling treatments. These are generally in a series of about anywhere from 4 to 6 treatments. We've got one more row and then we'll be done with the one arm and we'll switch to the other side. Done. How do you feel?
Great.
Good. So we're going to go ahead and move on over here. That was so quick. All right. Here we go. These are typically about 8 to 12 weeks apart. So we could get started on these now since the fall's coming and have you completely hair free by next summer. But we kind of think this is amazing how quick the treatment goes now. And would you say, what's your pain level on a scale of 1 to 10?
Like a 1.
A 1. And I'm using no numbing cream here, no topical numbing, just like a coolant glide gel, and that is it. And she is done. So that is hair removal, laser hair removal for the underarms in, I would say, 2 minutes.